Hello, everybody. So today we're going to be working on this page, words with OA. Let me make that bigger so you can see, okay? Okay, it's this page right here, words with OA, and it's a cut and paste, but we're not going to cut and paste, okay? We are not cutting it, okay? So don't cut it out. Leave it the way it is. Okay, when you find this page, write your name at top. I'm going to write my name, but you write your name, okay? Okay. And the standard we're working on today is RF 1.3C, which has to do with reading and writing long vowel words, okay? And today we're working on the OA sound, OA, which has the O sound, okay? O. So remember, we're not cutting and pasting. All right. It says here, he will cross the river in a blank. Okay, so let's look at the word. Which one of these would you use to cross a river? This one, right? B, oat, boat. So let's write boat on this one right here. B, oat. And when you finish writing out, cross out boat at the bottom. So write it down. Okay, and then cross out boat when you get to the bottom. Okay? And let me make this a little bigger so you can see it better. All right. Here we go. I need blank to wash my hands. I need blank to wash my hands. Okay. Let's look at the bottom. Which one of these do you need to wash your hands? If you said soap, you're absolutely sorry, lovers. If you said soap, you're absolutely right. Soap, soap. So let's write soap right here. O, there's the OA, right? O, and I'm going to underline the OA so that we know that's the one we're focusing on. So I need soap to wash my hands. Okay. Let's see if I can make this a little bigger. All right, here we go. Okay, here we go. Or. Remember the E is silent. Or. War. My. Red. Blank. To. School. To. This is a compound word. Today. I wore my red blank to school today. Okay, so let's look at which one of these we would wear to school. If you said coat, you're absolutely right. Oat, coat. So we're going to write coat over here. Okay. O, coat. I wore my red coat to school today. Okay, let's go to the next one. If I'm going too fast, you just pause, okay? Here we go. mom. Okay, let's do this one. A, because it's got the A-E, right? Ate, baked, a blank of eh. Now this, sometimes the EA has a eh sound, and sometimes it's got an E sound, right? In this case, it's got an eh sound. Ed, or us. Mom baked a blank of bread for us. Okay. So which one of these show what mom baked? Okay. If you said loaf of bread, that's the one. Mom baked a loaf. O f loaf. So let's write that down here. Okay. L O f. I'm going to underline the OA. Loaf. Mom baked a loaf of bread for us. Okay, let's go to number 5. Okay, number 5. I hope I'm not going too fast, but if I am, just pause, okay? Okay, the OA makes the O sound. So, J-O-N, Joan has a S, or, remember the E is silent, S, or, sore, blank. Joan has a sore blank. All right, let's find out what her sore is. Which one would be sore for Joan? If you said throat, you're absolutely right. She has a sore throat. Right? That means her throat hurts. So let's write here throat. So th, r, o, t, th, r, o, t, throat. Okay, let's go to this one right here, number 6. I, I, remember this, mommy E right here, mommy E. I, like. Okay, now the EA together makes the E sound in this one. E, okay? P, E, n, t, p, E nut, peanut. Okay, I'm going to read this part first. B, right here. B, t, and then this part, t, Now I'm going to put it together. Butter. I like peanut butter on my blank. Okay, so which one of these would you put peanut butter on? If you said toast, you're absolutely right. Toast. So toast. Toast is bread that's been put in the toaster, right? Okay. T O S T Toast. I like peanut butter on my toast. Okay, hopefully you wrote down toast. Let's do the next one. If you didn't finish with toast, honey, just pause the video, okay? Let's do the next one. E, he, w, il, will, blank. The, b. Okay, this is b, ox. B, ox, s. Boxes. In the truck. He will blank the boxes in the truck. Okay, so something he's going to do to the boxes. Let's look at the words. And which one do you think he's going to do to the boxes? Right here, load, right? L-O-D, load the boxes. Load means to put them on. Okay. L-O-D, load, load. Load the boxes in the truck. I'm going to cross off the word load. Okay, next one. We ready? Okay, here we go. I like, because remember there's a silent E, so it changes this from lick to like. I like to blank my feet in warm water. Warm water. Okay, so which one shows what you do with warm water? Oh, I forgot to cross out coat. Yeah, it's the only one left, right? Because we already did toast. This one. What's the word? Soak. Soak. So see how she's putting her feet? She's soaking her feet. So let's write soak right here. Soak. Soak. I'm going to underline. I'm going to read it again. I like to soak my feet in warm water. Okay, I'm going to... So what was our standard? What was our goal today? Yeah, to read and write words with the long vowel sounds, right? RF 1.3. Read and write words with the long vowel sound.